BYD is set to launch its new solid-state battery to the market. This battery promises to replace the lithium battery in vehicles with a battery that is almost 3 times as powerful in performance. You'll be impressed by what this battery is capable of achieving. Just keep watching. BYD has just announced that its solid-state batteries will be rolled out in 2027 before mass-scale adoption from 2030. This isn't just any rumor. This announcement was confirmed by the CTO of BYD's lithium battery company, Huajun. He said that the new solid-state batteries will use sulfide electrolytes. He added that the pilot production began in 2024, and so far it includes the production of 20 amp-hour and 60 amp-hour solid-state batteries. There are also strong speculations that the solid-state batteries would be introduced in BYD mid- and high-end electric vehicles starting in 2020. As these advanced new batteries become cheaper to produce, BYD could begin to roll them out to its more affordable EVs between 2030 and 2032. In the long term, the company expects solid-state batteries to cost about the same as existing battery technologies. This news may come as a shock to many. This is because before this confirmation took place, BYD in several reports had denied having plans to introduce solid-state batteries to the market. In fact, they described these reports as false and said that everything was still unknown regarding this deployment. Now, with this confirmation, we can tie their initial denial of the solid-state batteries to the following reasons. First, BYD is one of the biggest electric car makers in the world, and a big reason for their success is the type of battery they use, which is the blade battery. These batteries are already used in most of BYD's popular cars like the BYD Dolphin and the Atto 3, and they've built factories and signed big contracts just to produce more of them. BYD knew that if they admitted it too soon, it might make people think their current blade batteries aren't good anymore, even though they still are. That kind of confusion could make customers worry about buying BYD cars, and could also scare investors who've put money into the company. So that could be one reason why they remained low-key about the solid-state batteries initially. Second, when we step back and think about BYD, it's a company that's achieving the most explosive growth we've ever seen in the auto business in 100 years. So just to put some numbers to it, in 2020, BYD sold about 400,000 cars. This year, more than 5 million. In 2020, BYD had 0 exports. This year, they'll export hundreds of thousands all over the world, to Australia, to the UK, to Mexico, to Brazil. There's no market where they're not, outside the United States and Canada. And then thirdly, the valuation. BYD is now the third most valuable automaker in the world, after Tesla and Toyota. Another reason is that BYD is one of the top companies making electric cars, but they're not the only ones. They're in a race with other big companies like CATL, Toyota, Samsung, and QuantumScape. So when BYD publicly denies that it's testing solid-state batteries in its cars, it could be doing that to hide how far they are. By doing this, BYD can keep experimenting and improving their solid-state batteries without tipping off their competitors or making promises to the public before they're ready. In addition, it also gives them time to fix any problems, make improvements, and choose the right time to launch the technology when it's fully tested. The reasons for the initial denial are quite reasonable. However, now that it has come into the limelight, here are the things we know about BYD's new solid-state batteries. What does the solid-state battery by BYD offer? Well, according to Chinese media, BYD's solid-state battery impressed with its charging performance, like this super-fast megawatt charger. BYD claims that with certain models like this Han L, you could charge up as quickly as you would filling up at a gas pump. When the BYD Seal EV was equipped with the solid-state battery, this vehicle was able to travel 1,500 kilometers, or 932 miles, on a single charge in just 12 minutes of charging. It is good to note that this performance was just on an 80% charge, so this means that the EV can travel even 1,875 kilometers on a full charge. Well, that's not all. This charging performance beats other legacy makers' prospective solid-state innovations. For instance, the Toyota brand that has already begun working on its solid prototype says that its vehicle can travel up to 1,200 kilometers on a single charge. Placing it side by side with the BYD solid-state battery performance, we can already see BYD outpacing it in this regard. If what BYD is offering is true, then we already have a machine in our hands. Another outstanding feature of the BYD solid-state battery is the energy density. BYD confirmed its solid-state battery has an energy density of 400 watt-hours per kilogram, which is almost twice as much as the regular liquid-state batteries. However, in comparison to other solid-state cells soon to be launched, it doesn't rank so high. In recent weeks, Battery manufacturers such as Talent's New Energy have wrapped up plans to mass produce a new all-solid-state battery cell with ultra-high energy density. Their battery density boasts 700 watt-hours per kilogram of energy. This energy detail has helped them set a record for single-cell capacity and highest energy density for lithium batteries. Having this in mind, it seems BYD wants to remain conservative in the first phase and see how it performs. We can be sure that if things go well, then expect an increase in the energy density in subsequent productions. As you already know, this battery would become mass-produced in 2027. However, several analysts have predicted that when electric cars start using these new batteries, they will cost more at first than cars using today's regular liquid-based batteries. But BYD believes that by the year 2030, the price of solid-state batteries will drop enough to match the cost of the current liquid-type batteries. That means in a few years, cars with solid-state batteries could cost the same as today's electric cars, but with better range and faster charging. What does the future hold for BYD? When BYD finally rolls out these new solid-state batteries, it will likely cause a big buzz in the stock market. Many investors have been waiting for this kind of battery for years because it promises to make electric cars better in every way. If BYD is one of the first to pull it off at a large scale, no doubt people will see the company as a major technology leader and not just a mere car maker. As a result, this kind of reputation usually makes a company's stock price go up. As the production date gets closer, especially if BYD makes more official announcements, the stock could rise just from the excitement and future potential of the battery. If they deliver on their promises, then their cars might become even more popular. Their profits could grow and the stock could go even higher. It will become an overwhelming win for BYD on all angles. This could trigger a new wave of innovation, pushing the industry beyond today's lithium-based limitations. Solid-state batteries could become the new benchmark, much like lithium-ion once replaced older battery technologies. In this sense, BYD is not just preparing a new product, it is potentially setting the direction for the future of electric mobility worldwide. If you recall, earlier in this video, it was mentioned that BYD plans to equate the price of solid-state batteries to liquid-state batteries in the future. You may have wondered how this is going to happen. Well, here's a simple trick on how that would be achieved. As you already know, right now solid-state batteries are expected to be very expensive, as they can cost 3 to 5 times more than regular car batteries. But BYD is building a large factory that can produce a huge number of these batteries. Their goal is to reduce the cost to be the same as what today's regular batteries cost. The more batteries they make, the cheaper each one becomes, just like how buying things in bulk often costs less. So that's the mathematics that BYD is looking to apply in the markets after the official launch of their solid-state batteries. BYD is not just building an ordinary battery. They are building a battery that would outpace every other brand in the auto industry in performance and overall quality. What do you think about this BYD battery? Do you think it's all hype? Drop your thoughts below. Kindly turn on notifications on this channel and subscribe if you haven't. You don't want to miss our next